So I've got this ordinary section drawing, and in this video I want to try to make it out of ordinary and give it a clean look. I'm bringing the PNG file of my AutoCAD drawing, and I'm using a solid color adjustment layer to give the section a dark blue color. Now I want to add some decorative elements to the background of the section. For that, I need to select the pixels of empty parts and invert the selection and make a copy. I'm using this texture to cover the background. And then I want to add a big circle behind the section. And just a friendly reminder, please don't forget to like this video, it's a huge help to me. For the lower part of the section, aka the ground, I'm using this rough looking texture. And for the sky, I'm applying this eye-catching and radiant picture. It's a really fun and simple procedure. You can easily replace these images with other images or materials and create different outcomes. I'm starting to select the walls. However, I'm not selecting all the walls. I'm randomly selecting the walls. And then I'm applying the color. To make a contrast, I'm applying 2 different shades of gray to the walls. By adding some details like trees and some birds, I'm making it more dramatic. I'm using the brush tool to add these objects. I'm also adding some tiny people. And by using a solid color layer and creating a clipping mask, I'm making these personages blue. At the end, I'm finishing my job by using a camera raw filter and increasing the texture and clarity amount. And that's it. Don't forget to hit subscribe to my channel. I will be back with more videos like this. Have a great day.